Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a Vanguard Index Fund, only way. Open a brokerage account, pick a low-cost index fund such as VTSAX or VTI, and fund it with an initial deposit. Establish automatic contributions, choose tax-advantaged accounts when applicable, and set a clear allocation. Monitor fees and keep a long-term mindset to avoid reacting to short-term market noise. A Roth IRA or traditional IRA can be the right home for your Vanguard Index Fund depending on tax goals and eligibility. For taxable accounts, prefer low-cost ETF or Admiral share classes and be mindful of capital gains. Use dollar-cost averaging by investing a fixed amount each month and keep an emergency fund separate. Prioritize low expense ratios and tax-advantaged placement to improve after-tax returns over time. Rebalance by percentage targets annually or when allocations drift more than 5%, and use automated tools to simplify the process. Watch expense ratios: a 0.05% fund versus a 0.5% fund compounds meaningfully over decades. Place stocks in tax-advantaged accounts when possible and bonds in taxable accounts for tax efficiency, and avoid frequent trading to limit taxes and fees. Use low-turnover index funds.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.